Hello everyone. Today I will introduce about the work process analysis of Pizza Hut. And here first we will look through the background of Pizza Hut. As you can see, the Pizza Hut is a subsidiary of Yum Brands and deliver more pizza. The pizza restaurant began 58 years ago in Wichita and went to brother borrowed $600 from their mom to start a pizza area. Now we will move to the main part is the process map. The process map we choose today is the flow of order making and delivery to the customer. Let me explain more detail about this process. First, customer have to place the order, and the cashier will ask the customer, is it collection or delivery? If it's the collection, then customer have to wait about time in 10 minutes, and if this is delivery, so the cashier have to explain the promised time is 13 minutes, and then order on table screen order have to appear on the table screen, and the order make on the time of table screen is 3 minutes. Next, the next step is oven making process is 6 minutes, and cut the pizza is 1 minute, and when the pizza is complete, if you the delivery dispatch to deliverer, and customer will receive the pizza after 30 minutes. And customer pay the money or pay with a credit card. And if you are collection, then you will be receive the pizza after the promised time in 30 minutes. Now we will move into the second question is what is the average rate of the Pizza Hut? The average rate of Pizza Hut restaurant is 40 customer per hour. And go further to the kitchen, we have 2 long table for needed and 10 pizza ovens. I calculate the time for one pizza is 600 seconds, and so the output rate will be 10 pizza per 6,000 seconds. To make one pizza, we need 600 seconds and 3 people making it. So the worker, if you operating on the worker 100%, can put out 12 pizza per minute. And this is the question 3. To answer the question 3, we have the waiting space. The waiting space if customer choose to collection the pizza, they are able to sit in the waiting area and wait about 10 minutes. Or if they have their kid go with them, their kid can spend time at children's play area during the waiting time. In the kitchen area where pizza were packaged in 10 minutes, cut with professional equipment and package. Here these steps are performed in the same area in order to save the time. About our delivery system, if you choose delivery, then delivery order will subject to your address. If your address will connect it to the nearest restaurant, and the delivery address being mapped to the nearest restaurant that will deliver in your area. It will availability of the restaurant online, and in case the delivery locality is not listed in the restaurant locator, so the delivery order cannot be placed. Your order from the nearest Pizza Hut restaurant. And the minute of order amount for delivery is 20 to 200 seconds include of taxes. Next, I move to the Pizza Hut new oven hot delivery system. That means Pizza Hut is now using the same material as base blanket, winter jacket, and home insulation to keep the pizza up to 15 degrees hotter than existing process during the delivery process. You can see the imaging on the slide. And after this, pizza was shipped by delivery man by motorbike. And continue to the fourth question is what role do customers play in the process, and what is their impact on quality and efficiency? To answer this question, I have two main ideas. Is that the service customer are human resources who contribute to the organization product capacity. Queuing is used by telephone queuing. The pizza delivery companies use the phone as a main means of contact with customer. That's important. Telephone system can be equipped by queuing software similar to that used to serve customer online and to confirm their order. That means talk to the customer through the phone is important. And so the wait time of collection customer is only 10 minutes. That means you have to promise to the customer of 10 minutes pizza have to will finish packet. The customer who want to delivery to their home need to wait on the promised time is 13 minutes in order to receive pizza.
Okay, and now I will continue with my partner with the question 5. This is what question 5 is information technology used to facilitate self-service to share customer information among multiple providers. To answer these questions, the first thing that is Pizza Hut has developed an interactive table that lets customers piece together their perfect pie. Dinner also use the table to play games or pay for their meals. That is the question 6. How standardized or customized is the process to the needs of individual customer? When customer call Pizza Hut to order, Pizza Hut will be based on the address provided by the customer. This order will be made by the nearest Pizza Hut bus stop. This will reduce the cost of shipping and waiting time for customer. This is one of the advantages of the delivery of Pizza Hut. And next, the question 7 was wait during the process. What are the points waiting occurs? How well is wait time managed? Firstly, as we calculate at the previous part, the total waiting time of customer is approximately 600 seconds, maximum is 700 seconds. The waiting boards are counter and present area. The way to manage the waiting time always have enough employees at each station. Adding one employee to overload the station to recover in some urgent cases. Moves to the question 8. How much do the provider waste during the processes? What are the points where waiting occurs? How well is this wait time managed? The waiting time of provider is about 576 seconds. The waiting board are counter and kitchen area. The way to manage the waiting time, make sure that all machine working well. And if problem occurs, there is a preventive machine to solve the problem. It is used productively. And then when the arrival rate is greater than the output rate of the work process or vice versa, what are the methods used to balance supply and demand in the short term? How does the organization address long-term imbalance between supply and demand? First thing, we need mentioned in the short term, we need to establish the overall of manufacturing output it needs to satisfy the current plant level of sales. And in longer term, it can identify raw material issue, find out the production risk, maybe create the material distribution to team, and we can update the new trends if it is necessary. And the last question is, in your view, what are one of the biggest flaws in the current service delivery system? What are your suggestions for improvement? And as we know, one of the biggest flaw of the current service delivery system of Pizza Hut, that is the delay of the delivery. Because of many other problems, the speed of delivery is slow and make the attitude of customer is bad, and this as the result the quality of the pizza is slow down. And we have suggest the improvement solution, that is increase the speed of preparation step. You can hire more employees to bake the pizza and serve the best way with the simple delivery late. The cost of pizza is free. Is follow to the slogan 30 minutes or free of the Pizza Hut. That is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention.